What's up, you guys? So today I'll be working with Yatuin, girl, I don't know, Yatuin hair. This is 150% density lace frontal wig. It is straight short, 10-inch, color natural black, and I thought it was just a regular lace closure wig, but it's a T-part actually. And on the website you also get a 5% discount, and different lengths come with, you know, different prices. So I'm just showing you guys how that looks on the site. The link will be in the description box below. And so let's get started. Straight out the pack, the hair was just straight, like flat, scalpiana, you feel me? Like it was kind of dense at the hairline, but as I looked inside, it had the combs, and then I saw the closure, and it was just a T-part. So just be very careful when you order hair. Just make sure that you look at all the pictures on the site of how the inside looks, because sometimes the description and the wording, things like that, don't add up with how the wig will actually come. So just be careful with that. Make sure you look at plenty of videos of the hair that you are ordering before you order it, etc., etc. So I just went in with my mousse and my hot comb and flattened it a little bit more, even though it was already flat. And then I went in with my tweezers and plucked a little bit. And right here, I just molded my hair down last night because I got tired of wearing braids. And so today I'm just gonna try to put my little puff in the back, well, big puff in the back, into 2 twists and make it into like the smallest bun I can. Even though the bun was still big, I tried. But yeah. So the wig was kind of snug on my head, so I'm just making sure to cut off the lace first so that I'll be able to adjust it and see how it's going to look on my head. I'm not sure if the adjustable straps in the back could have played a better part, like me adjusting them a little better, but I didn't do that. I just put it straight on, straight out the box, straight out the package, and put it on my head. I find the easiest way to do this is just to cut your lace first and then spray your hair. Spray your hairline and then apply the wig while blow drying. I find that that's the easiest way to install wigs these days. I don't feel the need to do a ball cap or any of that. But yeah, right here I'm just going to take out my baby hair. Don't take out too much. And another thing about this T-part, like most T-parts come with like tracks all the way up to the front of the hairline, like making it very difficult and little to no room to do baby hair. But this wig was complete opposite. I had plenty of room to do baby hair and to pluck and do everything I needed. The tracks weren't all in the way like some of the wigs I have worn before. And before you apply your wig, just make sure to always sleek your hair back so none of your hair will get in the way or get glue on it, and to apply your alcohol. I'm going in with the Got To Be Glued spray. I want to try the ORS line, the gel and the spray, because I'm getting tired of using this. And I want to try the EBIN, however you say it, the lace spray also. So yeah, just stay tuned for those uploads and different products that I'll be testing out. So even when it's wet, I just put my wig right on top, and then I grab my rat tail comb or edge brush, whatever you want to, and put that down with my blow dryer. And my ear tabs rarely stay when I use spray as an adhesive, so it's better to use like glue on your ear tabs if you really want them to stick down. But 9 times out of 10 I use just spray because I wear my hair down anyways, and most of the time I just use like a bobby pin if I really want it to be like stuck to my head and not move or go anywhere or show. Also, be sure to wipe that glue off with the alcohol rag before you blow dry it down, because you don't want it like your forehead to be all sticky or to turn white. So now I'm just hot combing my baby hair. Some people curl it, but I like to hot comb it. I haven't tried to curl my edges yet, but maybe one day I will. You don't have to go out and buy a mini flat iron, because you can just curl it while it's like at the longer length, like before you cut it. You can just curl it. So right here, just cut your baby hair off slowly. Don't cut too high up too fast. Just cut, you know, just make your way up. Don't cut, you know, don't cut too short now. I'm just telling you, because you can't put it back. And so I started off with using a mousse, and the mousse really like sleeks your hair down and shows you like how long that baby hair really is. And so after you apply your mousse, you're probably just going to want to go in with your scissors again, and make sure you got sharp scissors. These scissors right here are just like giving me a hard time, so just make sure you got some shears, okay? And you can also get the hair off of your face with tweezers, and that's just way more effective than using your hands, because they were getting all of my eyelashes and just all over the place. Also, make sure to pluck your baby hair, tweeze your baby hair, whatever, because you do not want thick baby hair. Trust me, I had to learn the hard way. And so when you're using your edge brush, go back and forth between the comb and the brush, okay? Because the comb really gets like the direction of the hair going, and then the brush just smooths it out. So right here I'm using Edge Fixer. This is the pineapple scent. It smells so good. And I use this on my regular hair, so I was very familiar with it, and it sticks to my head perfectly, and it just smooths everything down nicely, and it just allows you to like just brush it or comb it into the place that it needs to go, and it stays there. It doesn't come up easily or none of that. It just stays in place. So after I go in with my dynamic duo, the hot comb and the wax stick, I go in with my cream foundation and just define my part. This is a game changer, and also the front of my hairline after I remove the band. So this is my Tresemme heat protectant. I love using like a spray mist heat protectant instead of an oil heat protectant. I always say this because, you know, just like the wax stick is oily, that's why I use it sparingly. So is the heat protectants. So I just use a spray, and I got this huge crimper. This is from Revlon, by the way, and I didn't know it was this big. Like, this is humongous. But I've seen a purple crimper everybody uses, and I'm thinking about getting that because it's like the perfect crimps on that one. But yeah, these barrels were huge on this thing, like, and this hair was already 10 inches, so yeah. Also, when the hair is very silky soft like this texture is, just be sure to spray some got to be glue spray or some holding spray, spritz, whatever, to hold the curls, because these came out like very loose because of the texture of the hair. But at least there was some definition there, you know, because I used this spray. I'm feeling myself right now, if you cannot tell, honey, period. Like, what? Okay, Bob. There's always one side that I don't like, okay? If you can tell which side that is. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Interact with me if you want more content from me. And I appreciate you for watching. Mwah.